Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. Imagine you're working with a dataset and you need to make separate API calls for each row, but the API has a limit on the number of requests per second. How can you introduce a small delay between each call to stay within the API limits? That's the problem we're looking to solve here. Now, let's talk about the solution. A neat way to address this issue is by modifying your code snippet by adding a Sys.sleep 1. Inside curly braces right before the API call in your code, you can introduce a 1-second delay between each call. This ensures that you stay within the API's request limits while fetching the data row by row. Pretty cool, right? To wrap things up, implementing this small delay in your API calls can help you smoothly navigate around rate limits and fetch the data you need from your tibble. Remember to adjust the sleep duration based on your specific API's rate limit requirements. And there you have it, a simple yet effective solution to the problem at hand. Well, that's all for now, folks. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!